Hi, everybody. I am so happy to be here with you right now so I can, kind of take a break and decompress. It has been an insane week. I don't know if you guys have had the same kind of week, but I don't know. It's been crazy. But that's a good thing, I guess. It could always be worse. So anyway, I am here with you and I'm hoping to get this done quickly. My internet keeps going out on me. So if this happens to fall apart, you can follow me over on my website at virginiastoughton.com. I will post all of my updates there in my blog, so you can always catch me there if for some reason something crazy goes here with these lives. So anyway, or if you're catching the replay on Instagram or LinkedIn. All right, so let's get to it. We have two it's two price points that have jumped up. Overall, the strength of market for both counties have jumped. So overall, for Lancaster and Northumberland, we are at 115% strength of market. Last week, it was 104, so it has jumped up a little bit. The average days on market has gone up a little. So again, we are seeing that reflection of the kids going back to school. So the market kind of took a sigh for a moment, but it is ramping back up. So for price points 0 to 200, now take a listen to this. Okay, so this is Lancaster and Northumberland. For any homes priced between 0 and 200,000, there are 8 on the market. That is it. 8. That's insane to me. So our strength of market has jumped crazy high. We were at 242%. This week, the strength of market for that price point is 388%. I think, at one point in August, the middle of August, we were at 488%. So it's not the highest we've seen, but still 8 active listings. That's just insane to me. 200 to 400,000, we have dropped a little bit. Actually, no. Oh my goodness. I lied. That's gone up too. We are at 159% strength of market with 32 active listings. Last week was 148. I obviously cannot compare numbers. So that's funny. We are at 159% strength of market for that. So very much a seller's market. 400 to 600,000. That last week was at 68%. I really don't know what I was looking at when I was making my marks on whether the market has gone up or down. That has gone up as well at 74% strength of market. Last week was 68. I told you this was one of those weeks, my friends, one of those weeks. 600 to 800,000 price point is the same as last week. We have 14 pending closing. We have 15 active on the market. So a strength of market of 93%. 800 to 1 million. We only have 4 pending, 10 on the market. So our strength of market is 40%. Still a buyer's market, but it has gone up from last week. Million plus, we have 4 pending closing, 17 active on the market for a strength of market of 24%. So that has gone down, most certainly a buyer's market. So if you have not joined me before, how you determine seller's market, 55 and above percent above is a seller's market. 55% and below is a buyer's market. So for land, last week we had, let's see, what did we have last week? We had 675 lots on the market. This week we have 672. So not much change. Still 8% strength of market. So we're holding strong on that. Now, real estate wholesaling. Have you ever heard of this before? So I took a kind of a nosedive finding out what exactly this is. And what it is you a real estate wholesaler is an investor. But unlike some investors who buy the property money, a wholesaler will buy a property while it is under contract, so it still has not gone to closing. They will find a buyer, switch the contract to the buyer, and then take whatever profit from that. So take, for instance, you have a wholesaler and he contacts the seller, and the seller will sell the wholesaler a property for $50,000. Well, that wholesaler, before it closes, who will pay $55,000 for it. So the seller will get their asking price and the whole walk away with $5,000. And then they can then flip that, fix it. So that's what a wholesaler is. It's kind of a middleman. Anyway, a little bit of real estate information for your Wednesday. I hope you all have a great week and an even better weekend. If you have any real estate questions, please do not hesitate to call, text, or email me. Again, you can hop on over to my website at virginiastoughton.com. I've got a lot of good information there. And again, I'll see you next week. Take care. Bye.